We will go over how Apace does remote editing with Adobe Premiere Pro CC. First, let's go over the setup at your office. You will need a server or a virtual machine that can run our media production workflow that offers project and asset management services called Postman. The server or virtual machine needs to access your shared storage that store your media files. The second requirement is the installation of Postman. Postman is responsible for importing media files and creating proxies, which are vital for remote editing. Media imported into Postman are searchable based on their metadata with the browser. Remote editors will be able to search and access media in Postman once they are granted access. Next, let's go over the setup of a remote editor's workstation. A remote editor must have a secure access to the office network. VPN or port forwarding will work, but we will let your IT team determine the best option. Install and run our Apace agent. Adobe Premiere Pro CC or Adobe After Effects CC must be installed. The Apace Postman panel extension must also be installed. It can be accessed by clicking on the window menu, Extensions, in Apace Postman. To edit remotely, the Remote Client option must be enabled for the Apace Postman panel. Log in with a valid credential. Search Postman to find media to add to your project. If your internet connection is slow, get the proxies. The editor will continually search the MAM and get the desired media throughout the editing process that will help him or her tell a better story. The playback on the timeline will always be smooth regardless of internet connection. Remote editors can collaborate with other remote editors using team projects. Remote editors can also sync project files and newly added media files to the office. That concludes our remote editing tutorial. Hopefully you found this video informative. Please check out our website at www.apacesystems.com for our other products and www.apacecs.com for our cloud-based solutions.